WILCO, not just a great name for a dog, but this is a term that is commonly used in aviation between ATC and the pilot or pilot-to-pilot communication. It's purposely short and brief so you don't clog up the radio, but it has a really strong meaning behind it. For example, if Tower were to ask you and you were flying 23 Papa Hotel, they might say, 23 Papa Hotel, extend downwind for incoming S92 on a 2-mile final for the helipad. At that point, the appropriate response would be WILCO 23 Papa Hotel. WILCO is short for will comply, and it should only be used when you understand the instructions and you will comply with them. An incorrect answer to their request might sound something like, oh yeah, I saw that traffic coming in on final, but I wasn't sure if you were going to ask me to turn or hold my altitude or extend downwind, blah, 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 blah. That is way too much, way too many words. Tower just wants you to respond whether or not you can fulfill their request in a safe manner in the shortest answer possible, like WILCO. And if you cannot fulfill their request, the correct answer would be unable. And at that point, they're not going to ask you why you're unable to do it because you're the PIC flying the aircraft. You can see things that they cannot see, so they're not going to question your decision when you say unable. They might be unaware that you're a student pilot and maybe they're asking you to do something that's beyond your capabilities at that point. If you're unable to extend your downwind in this situation, they're probably going to go back to the incoming traffic and have them slow down. They might have them do a go around. They might have them deviate into a different heading so that they can accommodate both aircraft. Remember, ATC is there to assist you and they're always going to have your best interest. But only you as the PIC knows what is safest based on the situation you're facing. If it's something you can't do or you're uncomfortable doing it, let them know, unable. If their request is something you can do and it doesn't require a full readback, let them know, WILCO, meaning I understand your message and I will comply with it.